Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 5th of February 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, energy politics have polarized significantly in recent years. The types of legislative reforms that were once negotiated in bipartisan energy policy bills or other omnibus packages have more recently been decided by hyperpartisan budget reconciliation legislation. But the depth of the nation's energy supply and affordability crisis is pressuring Democrats and Republicans to once again work together on energy-permitting reform legislation. The Colombian government has reopened the debate on renewable energy auctions with the publication of a draft resolution that would reactivate long-term power procurement mechanisms. The initiative seeks to address one of the country's most persistent challenges. That is to ensure that awarded renewable energy projects actually reach commercial operation. The proposal marks the fourth attempt by Colombia's Ministry of Mines and Energy to implement a long-term contracting mechanism for non-conventional renewable energy sources. Clean energy sectors contributed a record 15.4 trillion yuan in 2025. That is 11.4% of China's gross domestic product. That is comparable to the economies of Brazil or Canada. China's clean energy sectors nearly doubled in real value between 2022 and 2025. If the clean energy sector were a country, it would now be the 8th largest economy in the world. Without clean energy sectors, China would have missed its target for GDP growth of around 5%. Spain's renewable sources accounted for 55.7% of electricity generation in January. Renewables produced 14,097 gigawatt-hours during the month. That is up 4.2% from January 2025. The first month of 2026 saw generation from wind farms rise by nearly 7% year-on-year to 8,087 gigawatt-hours. That makes up 31.9% of total output. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy is set to grant concessional customs duty on forged steel rings for wind turbine bearings. This will ease imports and reduce manufacturers' costs. Forged steel rings used in the manufacture of special bearings for use in wind turbine generators are now eligible for concessional customs duty. The move follows a recent customs notification that added a new clause in the tariff schedule, covering these critical wind turbine components. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.